So as you can see so far, we are at a garage. We're actually at Donnie's Automotive. He always lets me do my oil changes here, so today we're going to be doing an oil change. So far, as you can see, I put the car up on the lift. Luckily enough, there's two post lift here. I got this one because that one was already taken up. And so far, all I did was pop the hood and take the oil cap off. I do that just so airflow can get down in and drains a lot faster. And since we already drove here, we don't need to warm up the engine at all. It's already warmed up. Now we're going to take a 14mm wrench and just loosen the oil plug. Something I always like to do when the oil is draining, so I make sure it all drains out, just go around and check all the tire pressures. I personally know that all my tires have to go to 32 PSI. If you don't know what they have to go to, all cars have this right inside the door. It'll tell you exactly what they all need to be at, including the spare tire, but we're not checking the spare tire today. I got a nice tire pressure gauge here. And push the lever all the way in to put air in, or push in just a little bit and let some out. Alright, so now that the oil slowed to just a slow drip, I'm going to go ahead and put the oil drain plug back on. I'm going to go ahead and take the filter cap off, let that drain out. And on my car I actually have a paper filter, so I'm going to go ahead and replace that and get that all tightened back up. Here's something I think a lot of people forget to add in their videos is how to reset the oil life, or for my car, it's maintenance required light. So for my car, you have to have the engine off with trip A meter shown. Then while pressing the trip meter reset button, I have to turn the car on and hold it until it shows all zeros. So right now it's at trip meter A. And turn the car off. And you gotta hold in the meter reset button and turn it on. Don't start it, just turn it to on. There you can see it flashing. And went to all zeros and it's reset. and I did the oil change in my car. I showed you how to reset the maintenance required light, and then after I got all that stuff done, I went and put a section of exhaust on an older Toyota Tacoma, and then did an oil change on a Subaru Impreza. Pretty much it's the same thing as my car for the oil change. I didn't really film much because I just wanted to get the stuff done. I had a limited amount of time.